Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my all-time favorite looks. I do this all the time, and if you're a mom, you probably rock it about every day too. So I'm going to show y'all how I do a messy bun. There's actually two different types of messy buns that I do. One is just, I go all out messy, and then the other one is a little bit more of a put together messy bun. So I'm gonna show you both though, because everybody has to have two versions. So before we get into the tutorial, be sure to hit that like button because it helps us so much with the YouTube algorithm, and we appreciate you doing it so much. So go ahead and just smash it for us, and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is flip my hair over, and I'm just going to gather all at the top of my head, trying to get all of the crazy poking out pieces, you know, get it all together. And then I'm literally going to take my hair bow, and I'm just going to start trying to make it really messy. Then I'm just going to spread it out. You gotta have that full, big, messy bun. My hair is not very thick either. Like, I have fine hair, and it's not a lot of it, but if you pull and just make it messy, it'll do some stuff for you. Also, if your hair's dirty, you can get it way bigger. Like, way bigger. My hair's pretty clean now, so this isn't even that big. Now, for me, the way I have to do it for me to actually love wearing a messy bun is I gotta have some stuff around my face. So I always just pull. Also, I have some serious postpartum hair growth, so this also helps hide that. So if you have some baby hairs growing in, this is how you hide it. And I honestly just kind of grab and pull small hairs down until I like how it looks. So, and then I also like to just pull tiny pieces up in the front to give myself more volume. I feel like this helps a ton with your bun looking cuter and fuller and more put together. It adds a ton of texture as well, so I always do this. And then last but not least, as I said, have a ton of postpartum hair coming in, so I'm a little embarrassed about the back of my hairline because I have so much baby hair coming in. So I always have to spray some hairspray and comb it up because it drives me crazy. It literally looks like I have hair growing down my back, which is so embarrassing, but welcome to the postpartum life. It's wonderful. So I'm just going to take my Kenra volume spray. It's the number 25, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do to try to hide them because it's so bad. I'm just going to spray just a little bit, and I'm just going to try to comb it up to kind of hide those hairs that literally look like they're growing down my neck. So bad. But if you're a mom, you understand, so hopefully y'all are with me. Okay, so that's basically all I do for my messy bun. Sometimes if I have some crazy pieces like sticking out or whatnot, I'll just stick a bobby pin in it, but right now I don't have one in there. Most of the time I can get away with not putting a bobby pin in, so that's basically what I do if I'm wanting a really messy look, and I just kind of want it to be all over my head and really cute, but still kind of put together. And now for my next messy bun, it's a little bit more sleek. It's not quite as messy, so I'm just going to flip my head over again. And then try to smooth as much as possible, just getting out all of the crazy hairs that literally poke out. And as I'm smoothing, I try to keep it pretty high on my head. That way it stays like up there rather than becoming a low bun. So as you're smoothing, just be sure that you're like continuing to pull it up. Okay, I'm gonna take my band. I'm gonna do a full through, and then I'm gonna take it again, and then I'm just gonna pull halfway through on this one. I'm gonna give myself some fluff, and then I'm gonna take small pieces, pull them out to give myself some messiness, and then I'm gonna make this bigger, and then I just tucked it into the back of my hair bow, but then I'm going to continue to make it bigger and then just tuck small pieces. So this one's a little bit smaller, a little bit more sleek, but still gives you that cute little bun on top with just a couple pieces hanging down to make it look messy. And then as always, I love my face framing. Gotta have some hair around the face or else I feel bald. So again, I'm just going to pull and I just kind of pull enough out until I'm happy with how much is around my face. And then again, loosening up the top to add some volume. Southern girls love their volume. My baby hair's coming in her so bad. And that is about all I'll do. So this is the second messy bun. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this messy bun tutorial, and if you did, be sure to like it and subscribe as always so you can see our videos every week, and y'all have a good day.